driving that thing or what?
Oh, dude, it's so fun.
Looks fun.
It's so small.
Yeah. You said big boy bike?
Yeah. Well, the center of gravity is so low because the gas tank's at the bottom of the bike.
Yeah. Is it grip pretty good?
Yeah, dude, it's quick.
Yeah.
It's like weird though because I haven't been on a bike without a fairing in so long.
Yeah.
That when you're on the freeway going like 100,
You just feel like a kite?
I feel like I'm gonna get fucking blown off.
Not,
Oh, I like y'all bike.
Hey, thank you, bud.
The Harley?
Yeah. Like the boots.
Y'all got some really nice Harley.
Right on. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, well then he goes, "You can park right now, we gotta tell him I got my bike."
Appreciate it, dude. Happy New Year.
You want like downtown, like something downtown, or you want like something close by?
We can go downtown. Maybe just go like walk around on the state, make our way downtown, go back in.
Making our way downtown.
Walk in fast, places fast, home fast.
And I need you.
That 975 is badass, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Is it fun to ride?
Oh my god, bro, it's so fun.
It hit different.
For sure, man. Once you put it in that sport mode, dude, you start getting it.
She
And it
rips, too.
revs to like 9 grand.
Well, the cool part about it is you don't hit the power band until like 5 grand, and then
Yeah.
it's ripping.
You know a lot about it. Do you have one?
I worked for Harley for 3 years. I got a Dyna.
Oh,
I have a
do you
Sportster
really?
too.
Do
Yeah.
you live around here?
Right up the street, man.
No way. See, I'm right up here. We gotta link up, man.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's. I don't have.
Add me on Instagram, ATC. Nice to meet you.
Levi.
That's rip, man.
Yeah,
That's a
let's
sick
do it.
ass road
Damn,
too. I
nice
like
to
that.
meet you.
Dude, dedication road.
Fucking badass Bronco, by the way. Shoot. Oh, that sounds good. I'm telling you, you have to ride it. If it doesn't make you smile, I'll give you your money back. Because you feel so big on it, and then you go so fast, it's so crazy. Look at it. mighty 90 in the wild, dude.
What's that?
The mighty 90 in the wild.